Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing Cargo, a website builder perfect for creatives. Links to Cargo and related resources are down below. Cargo is designed for artists, designers, photographers, and visual professionals who want clean, minimalist websites. Its aesthetic-driven approach makes it ideal for portfolios and visually striking sites. Cargo offers modern, responsive templates tailored for creative work, emphasizing visuals with bold typography and clean layouts. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes customizing layouts, images, and content easy, even without technical skills. You can even add custom code for more advanced design control. Cargo excels at presentation, with tools for galleries, slideshows, and dynamic layouts, perfect for portfolios and creative storytelling. It also supports video and rich media integration. Beyond design, Cargo includes SEO tools, mobile optimization, and basic analytics to track visitor behavior. A free trial is available, but a paid plan is needed for a custom domain and added features. While great for design-focused projects, Cargo isn't ideal for e-commerce or extensive third-party integrations. It's best for those prioritizing creativity and aesthetics over complex features. So, is Cargo right for you? It's a fantastic website builder for creative professionals who want visual storytelling and minimalist design. It's easy to use, customizable, and perfect for showcasing portfolios. Check the links below for more details and to give Cargo a try.